Welcome to Clarissa's kitchen. This is her air fryer.
Welcome back to my channel. Today starts my apartment makeover series and we're starting in my kitchen. Here's what it looks like. The kitchen is where I spend a ton of time even if I'm not cooking or eating. It's truly my happy place. I love cooking, trying out new recipes, and sharing meals. We're starting by taking everything off of my countertops. I've been using the kitchen for about a week and a half at this point, but there are a lot of things that need to be reorganized and little touches that I would like to give the space. The biggest upgrade that I'll be making to this space is a peel and stick backsplash, which is actually going to be renter-friendly wallpaper. Be careful. I got this peel and stick wallpaper from Amazon after many reviews. I am not sure if the dark color was the best choice, but I was also thinking that a light background with these florals might also not be the best choice. So we're gonna stick it on and we're gonna commit. I think it's supposed to be a dark green, but it kind of looks black to me. Either way, we're gonna scrub the walls a little bit and then stick this on. We went ahead and removed all of the outlet covers to make our job easier when laying down the wallpaper. We also cleaned the walls as per the instructions that came with the peel and stick wallpaper. This will ensure that there's no dirt on the walls and that the wallpaper will adhere correctly. Here's the wallpaper I chose. I wanted to go with something floral, but I also knew that I wanted to lean into the moodiness of the dark cabinets. I think this wallpaper will add just the right amount of darkness to the backsplash, while also keeping it whimsical and feminine. For an endeavor like this, I highly recommend you recruit an extra set of hands. As you can see, I'm doing the most trying to get into this corner to help LJ. There's no way I could have done this on my own. We are cutting holes in the wallpaper for the outlets as we go along. We found this was the easiest way to go. The best part is that the cuts don't have to be perfect because the outlet covers are going to go back over these areas anyway. Also, if it wasn't obvious, I wanted to mention that this project was super time consuming. It took us all afternoon and even went into the evening, so if you're considering doing this, you might want to keep that in mind. We're finally starting to finish off by trimming some of the excess wallpaper and putting back all of the outlet covers that we removed. This is how the wallpaper turned out, and I'm really happy with it. So the honest truth here is that I have a ton of cabinet space and I came from a place that had a decent amount of cabinet space, but some of the drawers were a little bit awkward. So it's not that I don't feel like I have enough space in here to put all of my stuff. It's just that I'm having trouble where I want to prioritize putting things because I had such a system before in my old place. As you can see, I have filled these drawers quite a bit, and just from using my appliances and other things for the last 2 weeks, I realized that this system isn't really going to work for me. I don't feel like where I put things were the best places to put things, so now I'm going to rearrange pretty much everything. In case anyone wanted to know, these stools are from Target. I will be linking them below in the description box, and I will also be linking the wallpaper that I used. Now it's time for the reveal. I really feel like I nailed the moody vibes. Here's what the kitchen looks like at night. Here is one last before and after. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe if you want to support myself and this channel. I'll see you in the next one.